Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna show you how to get Spotify Premium for free. So the first thing you wanna do is open Spotify in your web browser and then you wanna go to sign up for free. And the next thing you wanna do is go and open a new tab where you search for emailnator.com, and here you will simply just take this new email if you haven't got any email to put in for the new premium subscription. So I just put the email in and click on next, and then I want to choose my own password, so I just write something like this. So the requirements all are checked, so I click on next again, and then I need to enter my name, so I just like Daniel, and my date of birth 19th of March 2003, and I just a man, and then I click on next. Then you just want to click on sign up, and you can save your password, yeah. So after you just created a brand new account, you can click on Explore Premium. And if you click on Explore Premium, you can see can get 3 months of Premium Individual for 0.00 of cost. So I'm gonna click on Get Started. And as you can see, Premium Individual, Spotify Premium account for 3 months. But listen, this is the trick, guys. If you already have used this card, you cannot use it again. But if you make a PayPal account with the same card, you can use it again. So I click on PayPal because I already have used my card, my my credit card. So I click on PayPal and scroll down and then complete purchase. And then it will take me to the PayPal site. So I just want to log in so I can pay with PayPal. And this is the same card as I have used before, but not with my PayPal account. So I click on accept and continue. And there you go. You now got premium. I already had using this card, but because I made a new PayPal account and used the card with PayPal, I can now get 6 months for free with only one card. So yeah, hope you guys like the video. That's how to get premium for free.